Hi there ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the Random Geek channel. So we're here with another unboxing video. So as you can see, a little crummy little box here that came through the mail, a little bit beat up, but this is going to be a really interesting device for people who are traveling. So this is, if you can probably read on the top there, doesn't really tell you much. So this is the Cre-Heaven Universal Travel Adapter. So this is a universal travel adapter, and for those guys that are traveling overseas, what normally happens is you normally buy an international adapter and you switch the heads depending on where you're going, and it can be a bit troublesome because what I normally do is buy an adapter and a power board. When you're traveling, that's probably not the best thing you want to do, especially if you've got limited luggage or you want to save space. In my case, I tend to pack light and try to bring back as much as possible. So this is going to be great because you don't have to bring a large power board, you don't have to bring a like multiple heads if you're traveling to multiple countries. This one's going to do it all in one. So what I'm going to do is we're going to open it up and have a look. So I have used these previously in the past, but the reason why I've got this one is first thing was I bought this on Amazon's. It came in at around 20 Australian dollars, so super cheap. So about 15 American and about 10 pounds. And also it does also USB charging, and USB charging at a high wattage. So that's what's very important for me because I've got a whole bunch of USB Type-C devices, and in this case I can just bring one adapter and bring all my cables, and really easy. And especially if you've got USB Type-C, you can switch and interchange to multiple devices in one go. And in the separate ports I can throw in a something like a power bank and charge that on the go. So we're going to open this up. I haven't actually opened it up yet, so not pretty cheap packaging, obviously made in China. You will find a lot of these on the Amazon store or even online. They go for roughly between $20 to I think up to 80 to 90 Australian dollars. A lot of brands out there. I have multiple of these lying around the house, and were all from different manufacturers, but it seems like the actual parts and the plastics they use all come from the same supplier. So in terms of performance wise, they perform pretty much the same. So obviously they're getting theirs from a similar source. So in terms of their parts and the manufacturing, the only thing they're really doing is labeling these devices. So when I open it up, really easy. Okay, was not expecting that, but it comes with a cute little carry case. That is a nice touch. So nylon case, synthetic leather, little zip there. Okay, that's really nice touch. Little, first gonna be a little hook that you hook onto the. Don't carry this on a belt or a bum bag. You're gonna look like an idiot. Even for an old guy like me, don't do it. So we're gonna open it up, and there we go. So we have the manual. So multinational travel adapter. So as you can see, it does ratings, and this is the important thing. It does up to 6.3 amps maximum in this case, but it will share that among the ports. So from 100 to 250 volts. So that's rated at 693 watts. So it's not going to beat your power. So like your power board, which will do up to 2400 watts. This is for this is a basic travel adapter. But what I'm saying is the size, see how tiny it is, and also weight. If I can like cut that extra 1 or 2 kilos, that's a whole bunch of things that I can bring back to the country. So obviously here we got Type-C output of 5 volts 3 amps, and the USB output. So you've got 3 USB outputs. I'm sorry about the sound. My neighbors are being really noisy. So you've got your standard USB A ports at 2 volts, 2.4 amps. So that's at 12 watts. Pretty much your average quick charge speed. So it's got built-in safety features as well. But yeah, read that later. We're just gonna open it up and have a look. So I believe this comes with extra fuses. So it should come with an extra fuse. If not, you can actually buy these fuses quite cheaply. So nothing in the box. So this was supposed to come with an extra fuse, but obviously it doesn't, unless I'm missing it. But no worries, you can actually buy these fuses quite cheaply. So first thing, on the actual top, you've got your multiple output outlets here. And so this is rated for the EU, UK, Australia and the United States. So in terms of countries, it's compatible with around probably about 150 different countries. So regardless of where you go to, this has got to fit. The thing that you do have to be aware of, this is not a step down or step up adapter. So if you are traveling from a country that has a lower voltage, make sure that you do have a step down adapter or a power adapter for your device that is compatible. Because if you are going to plug this into a higher voltage and expect it to step down, you're going to be sorely mistaken, and rather than you lose your device, just be careful with that, okay? So try not to fry your devices. Make sure that your devices are compatible with the voltage of that country. The good news is, because I live in Australia, we start off at 240 volts. Pretty much it's higher than most countries, so I can plug this in safely and not have to worry about it. But for those guys who are living with a 100 or 120 or 110 volts standard, just be aware that this is not going to step down the voltage. Okay, also with the actual plugs, this is not a grounded plug. In Australia, most devices are grounded to the source, and that's for protection in case you get a short circuit or an over voltage. This is not going to ground it, so just be aware of that when you plug in devices. You do it at your own risk. Once again, not sponsored by anyone, just a bit of safety for those guys out there. Alright, the reason why I got this one there, because this is an upgraded model, and the upgraded model because it contains a USB Type-C port as well. So I want to find it very useful, and the Type-C is rated at 3.4 amps. So at 5 volts, I'm getting power delivery speeds there. So it's very important for things that I want to charge really quickly, like mobile phones, large power banks, and things like drones and stuff if you're traveling overseas, which I tend to go around and travel with drones. So good thing here is you've got free smart USB Type A ports as well, so you can charge 4 things at once, and also use the main outlet to power an external device, or if you really want, an extra power board. So this is going to expand your usage quite greatly, and also it saves some space. So all you really do in this case is choose your country. So for example, I'm choosing Australia. I will pull that down, and that will just lock in the back there. So that's just your port there, which see how it's not grounded at all, but Australia there, and again, like whatever country that I'm from, I will be able to plug my devices or my power board from that side there. And to release, C button there, press that, and that will release that button. Normally you press this button and you pull that. Yep. So we just press that button and you pull it up, and that will release this. I've actually used very similar ones on multiple trips, and these work fantastic. So if you're after a international power adapter on the budget, it's going to save you a lot of space. This is a really, really good deal. Also, if you do get a blow-on fuse, really surprised by they didn't give me a fuse, because for normally they do. I do have spare fuses lying around because I've got different branded model of these travel adapters floating around, so I'm not too worried. Also, you can head to your local electronics store and pick one up. and they're really cheap. So if you do get a blown fuse, all you really do is either grab a coin or a screwdriver, unlock it here, and you should just tap out the blown fuse and put in the new one, and then it's really easy. You can do it in like 30 seconds. So yeah, so nice little travel adapter there. Like you can search on Amazon, it's in the best sellers list. There are multiple brands available, but they're all pretty much the same thing for 20 Australian dollars. This is a really good like investment. It's got a 4.5 snoozer rating, hundreds of reviews, a lot of people that are actually happy. The only one main complaint that I've had is if you are using this on a power point lower to the floor, with your cable sticking out on the bottom here, it may hit the floor or it may not reach. What I tend to do is just put it on a higher power point, something like the bathroom or the kitchen, in your accommodation, and it's perfectly fine. And as I said, you can charge 5 things at once or bring a spare power board. What I tend to do is just charge my laptop on that one there, and all my other mobile phones, my tablets, my laptop, my power banks, all in one go, and I just leave it overnight, and Bob's your uncle. So yeah, really it's a good device. So alright, so as always, I'll leave it at that. Just give us a like, a little thumbs up, a comment if you wish, and press that subscribe button. So we want to grow this little channel here. Having a lot of fun doing this in my spare time. As I said, it's a little hobby of mine, but yeah, I would like to see it grow. And as always, yep, I'll see you guys in the next video. So Random Geek out. Cheers.